So we have a rock in our driveway that we keep hitting, so we gotta pull it out. Was it that one, or was it underneath where the car's at right now?
Underneath the car. You want to go get the other key? But I know this one's been hit. Well, that's gonna be a big old rock. I'm gonna find the edge of it. I'm hoping it's not part of this retaining wall. I don't think there is a retaining wall here, though.
When has that rock been hit? Just backing up?
No, pulling in. That's what the car was scraping on the other day.
And I thought it was just this one.
But I don't think that one's hitting anything, is it? It looks like tires. Could be this one. But I do know this one's caused me some grief. Those are a big old rock. A lot of work.
That is a lot of work.
Doesn't want to budge yet. Makes me wonder how deep this one's in. Too old for this. It's got a shape, one of the two. The size of this. What does he assist?
I don't know.
No wiggle now. Maybe we just need to put a sign up that says beware of rock. I don't know. This is when the tools that you loan your neighbors would really come in handy. A big old rock pick that somebody had to keep and not return. Kind of frustrating. So let's go buy another one. That's a big rock.
It is a really big rock.
The better option would be if we had something to cut it down with.
I don't know if that's rock wants to go anywhere.
You have to do something. There, I got it busted in half. There's saw it down. I thought it would have been wiggly by now.
Yeah.
Here's another big one. That's a movable rock, easy. Bring it up. Oh no. That's one of them. That was easy. We'll take these kind of rocks all day. That's what it, huh? I think it'd be a beast. I wonder if I just need to try and crack it.
And chip away at it.
If we had a drill, we'd just drill some holes and break the rock. Then rebury it.
There's that top part.
If we just took it off from, maybe that's what I need to. Well, the whole rock's moving. Might be able to turn it, get it out. Better. Yeah, it's coming. It's getting loose. Always make sure to wear the right protective gear, sunglasses, short, tennis shoes, t-shirts. That's pretty important. Okay, well, we found the edge of it on this side. So that's this edge of the rock, which in there.
Anybody want a worm?
There you go, fishing. It's stuck. Well, the nice thing is it's big enough now you'll see it.
It's true.
I don't know what we're going to do. We might not be doing that. It'll be super fun. Meanwhile, hour and a half later.
Still stuck.
What do? Keep digging, I guess, or go buy a different tool.
Either keep digging, or you just say forget about it and rebury it.
but it makes our driveway so narrow. We're gonna keep hitting it, I'm afraid. Oh, that was the big chunk that was sticking out. Now I think we just pound this bit of it off. Because technically that was under the dirt, right?
Yeah. Well, we couldn't get it out. Ross was just pounding the top, trying to get it down so we don't hit it when we drive over it.
This sledge is a little too big. This is a 16-pound sledge. For an old man, that's a lot of weight to throw.
Think you got it?
I don't know. I'd like to get the top off all the way across. I don't know if I will.
There's this part?
Like that. And then a little bit down in here if you look at the slope.
Gotcha.
I'm going to back the car up another foot so if, when I come back I don't bounce back and hit the car. My glasses, holy crap. That's strong. I cut my forehead. With one. So not enough to worry.
Hey, did some damage on the rock.
Question is that low enough now, guys? What does everybody think?
I think it's low enough now.
About this one little peak is I think the only part that's been exposed. Just in case. A little bit of dirt.
A little bit.
Woo! We're holding it tight. My teeth even chattered.
That's not good.
That's my fault. Okay. What do you think? This one little nub and then we're good? This one right here. This little section.
Yeah.
Hey, better. One up, and we'll call it good. Okay, that's it. If we have to do it again, we'll dig it.
Okay, there you go, folks. Now it's time to rebury it.
Here, everybody hanging, what'd we do?
We unburied a rock. Couldn't move it. So you just broke it down. Now we're trying to rebury it. And it's funny, when you dig a hole, you think you'd have the same amount of dirt, but the dirt disappears. So keep that in mind. But now we're just burying it.
Yep, so it looks like it turned out okay. It's hidden. Now the rock's low enough that it's not going to hit, but we will continue to flatten this out over time. We're going to put some orange marker to make sure that we don't drive off the driveway now, that rock's there not to hit somebody. Anyways, brute strength, baby.